Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Selena Gomez CD I want to show you. This happens to be called Selena Gomez and the Scene, A Year Without Rain. This came out September 21, 2010. So I'll show you the inside of this one. And there's that picture. Now here's the CD. And then you take it out and you have that. And the back looks like this. Oops. And then the songs are in red here. Of course, you can't really see it. They're in red. I think there's, looks like 10 songs on that one. So, like I said, this is A Year Without Rain. Came out September 21, 2010. Anyway, hope you like this video. If you have this CD, comment on the video what you think of it or what your favorite song is or whatever. So yeah, hope you like this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.